Today we are going to learn four basic commands to operate Linux system in a better ways. So start with first. First command is who am I command. Basically this command is used to know what type of logged in you have done to your Linux based system. Example, if I type who am I will get to know that I have used my personal account here, name called Hunter. And if I have access with as a root account, then it will know you that you have access as a root. So let's try. See, here we know that we have access as a root user to your Linux system. The second command is pwd command. This command stands for print work directory. It will help you to know on which directory you are present. So if I type here pwd, I will get to know that I am present in home directory. I am currently working on home directory. And if I change directory, then I will also get to know what directory I am present. The third command is ls command, which stands for list. Basically, if we have one directory, to know about what type of file and what amount of file is present in that directory, it will show you all the files and help us to make it easy to sort the file system. Just type ls and hit enter. Fourth command is cd command. It stands for change directory. Basically, we know that we cannot access or remain present into same directory. We have to work with all different directories present into Linux system. So changing the system directory, we will type cd and the directory name that we want to access by changing the directory of the system, and I will type ls. Thank you. Follow more for more